In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off game mode on Windows 11. Game mode is designed to prioritize your system resources for games, reducing background activity and helping maintain consistent performance. However, there are times when you may want it off. Maybe you're multitasking while gaming, using screen capture or streaming tools, or you've noticed certain apps behave better without game mode's optimizations. Whatever your reason, turning it off is quick and completely reversible. Start by opening the Windows settings. Press Windows+I to open Settings. This keyboard shortcut takes you straight into the main settings window, so you don't have to search around. Once you're in, you'll see a list of categories on the left side. Click Gaming. This is where Windows groups features related to playing and recording games and managing related preferences. Inside the gaming section, look for the Game Mode option and select it. Click Game Mode. This opens a dedicated page with a simple toggle and a brief description of what Game Mode does. You'll typically see a switch near the top that indicates whether Game Mode is currently on or off. To complete the change, turn off Game Mode. As soon as you flip the toggle to Off, Windows stops applying Game Mode's performance rules, such as restricting certain background tasks or adjusting resource priority for running games. A quick note on what that means for you. With Game Mode off, your system behaves more uniformly across apps, which can be helpful if you rely on creative tools, virtual machines, browser tabs, or background services that you don't want Windows to deprioritize while a game is running. It can also help if you've experienced stuttering, audio glitches, or overlay conflicts that sometimes occur in specific setups when game mode is active. If you don't immediately see the change reflected in your apps, that's normal. Most adjustments take effect right away, but some games or tools might apply the new behavior the next time they start. And if you ever decide you preferred it on, you can come back to this same game mode page and toggle it back to on in seconds. To recap, the path is simple. Press Windows+I to open Settings, click Gaming, click Game Mode, and then turn off Game Mode. That's all you need to do. Keep this in mind if you switch between gaming-focused sessions and productivity-heavy workflows. It's an easy way to tailor Windows 11 to what you're doing at the moment.